Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video is a pack with me. I am traveling tomorrow and I also have to attend a wedding there. I am basically going to Lahore and it's for a 2 to 3 day trip. It's very near. मतलब 6-4-5 घंटे की road trip होती है and then we can reach. So yeah, I have to pack for the function. Okay, before thinking and listening to this part of the video, if you comment why did she pack so much, let me be clear. I am an overpacker and I always have a plan B, plan C and plan D. What if this and what if that? You guys will see for 3 days trip I pack so much. बहुत दफ़ा पहले भी ऐसा हो चुका है and don't even get me started if it's a 1 week trip. Please. Okay, so I have really little time. It's 10:30 p.m. right now. I have to leave at 11 a.m. tomorrow morning and I have to drop Sky first at a friend's house. Also, what I'm doing is I have to dye my hair right now and I'm dyeing it red. I dye my hair red and it's gonna be the 3rd or 4th time I dye my hair red and I do it myself. So first I'm gonna dye my hair. I have some skincare to do. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. This just smells really bad, but it looks really good. So also I really love doing my hair myself because I feel like the ladies at the salon don't just get what I want. So just for some reason, maybe I don't know how to explain, or maybe they just cannot get it done right. I will also apply it to my bangs because I tried it last time and it looked really good. Okay, so the color is done. It looks like this. Part of my hair has the balayage in it, so I only color till here. And this is the look that I get from this color.
Hey guys, what's up?
Now it's time for the bangs. It was so humid today, or it just suddenly started raining really hard. I'm so happy because बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई थी. You guys didn't hear what my sister just said. She said I should come out and film the rain. I leave some of the balayage peeking through. It looks so pretty when the red mixes with the balayage. I am done with the hair and I have to leave it for 30 minutes before I wash it. So yeah, my hands. I washed my hair and I did my nails. Okay, so next let's start packing, which is the main thing of this video. Okay, so it's gonna be a 3-day trip. So I think for tomorrow I'm gonna wear this. It's just a light pink colored top. I got this from Limelight and it's perfect for summers. Basically, I'm having a road trip tomorrow, so I'm gonna wear this. Also, abhi tak I decided to wear this outfit for the wedding. It's a nikah function, so I think I'm gonna wear this. But I also wore this on my birthday. If anybody of you remember. But what I'm thinking is that it's really hot here in Islamabad as well and in Lahore as well. So I do not know because it's cotton, but it's kind of like थोड़ा मोटा वाला cotton. I don't know. I wore it in January last time. तो जनवरी में इधर तो बहुत तूफानी ठंडक होती है. I don't know because यही मेरे पास एक ऐसा ड्रेस है जिसमें I don't have that many pictures. So I think I'm gonna wear this. और अभी मैं घर वालों से बात कर रही थी and I just told them कि फैशन कम्स फर्स्ट. मेरी अम्मी और मेरी बहन बात कर रहे वहाँ पे बैठ के कि हम लोग जो है वो लॉन की कमीज़ें पहन लेंगे. हम तो नहीं पहनेंगे, रख लेंगे अपना अपना शादी का ड्रेस, मगर हम लॉन की कमीज़ें पहनेंगे. एंड आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग देयर लाइक फैशन कम्स फर्स्ट फॉर मी. Literally I was like, but yeah. So this is the dress I think I'm gonna wear. So मैं इसको tag कर लेती हूँ. I'm gonna put two more dresses just in case I have to visit anywhere else tomorrow as well. मतलब एक तो रोड ट्रिप हो गई one जिसमें मैं पहनूंगी. So other than that, if I have to visit anywhere, I will just wear this. I love this outfit. The neckline is just everything. It gives what it needs to give. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this. In case I'm gonna put one more for the third day. It's also gonna be a travel day. So maybe should I put two? But if my dad sees how many, because we're sharing the same suitcase, ताकि सारे लोगों का उसमें आ जाए. But little does my dad know what I'm packing. Yeah, I don't know. Something is terribly wrong with me. I'm just gonna pack one more outfit. Don't think these are the only outfits I'm gonna pack. These are just the outside outfits that I'm wearing. Okay, for the last day, I think I'm gonna keep this one. It has a very pretty dupatta and I am obsessed with this dress as well. I'm keeping summer colors because the red and maroon are definitely not summer colors. They're definitely fall and winter vibes. But this one is really summery and I want to take this one. It's a three-piece suit basically. So yes, I think I'm gonna keep this for the third day. My hands are badly stained by that paint, by that color. मतलब मैंने इसको अभी तो फिर ये थोड़ा साफ हो गया because I wash my hands a lot, like a lot. I have OCD, very bad one. I have the हाथ कर दिया था मेरा, and it looked like I'm from some zombie apocalypse. Should I show you guys my socks for tomorrow? I'm wearing these purple ones. They're so cute and they're new. I'm gonna wear them. And probably tomorrow is the only day that I am gonna be wearing socks because shoes kali pehn rahe hain. I am going to be wearing these denim jeans tomorrow with the pink top that I just showed you. I really like these jeans with that top. मैंने एक दफा इनको pair किया था and I absolutely loved it. तो ये मतलब नीचे से they're, you know, like, I don't know if they're called mom jeans. I don't think so. But I'm bad at it, sorry. But these are the jeans that I'm gonna wear tomorrow for the night suit. If you guys know me personally, I never wear anything other than shirts like this and normal pajamas. This is the only outfit I wear whenever I'm in home. तो सोते वक्त हो ही नहीं सकता कि मैं कमीज शलवार में सो जाऊँ. Never, 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 never. I cannot even see शलवार तो मैं पहनती नहीं हूँ. I only wear jeans and trousers with kameez. So I'll be taking this shirt because I just wore it, so it's pretty clean. I'm gonna be wearing a pink PJ which is currently being air dried. Next, for tomorrow, I'm gonna be wearing these glasses. This will look super bougie. I love these glasses. मैं इसको बहुत संभाल कर रखती हूँ, like in this bubble wrap as well as this, because glasses मेरे इतने ख़राब हो चुके हैं. मैंने इतने प्यारे प्यारे लिए हुए हैं और वो सब हल्के 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 करके ख़राब होते हैं. This is the only way I can keep it safe. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this tomorrow. I think we are pretty much done with the dresses and the outfits. Next, we are on to the shoes. The most important is the wedding. So I have two heels that I want to pair with it. So let me show you. I have two block heels. First is this maroon and silver block heel. I am in absolute love with heels, so I always wear heels. But next is this silver disco sparkly heel. A little tight, but I said I can do anything for fashion. I don't want to wear this. I want to select this one because I already wore this one with the outfit once, so I don't want to repeat the outfit. But please mind it, I repeat my outfits a lot. मुझसे ज़्यादा कोई रिपीट करता नहीं होगा अपना आउटफिट, सो प्लीज़ डोंट कम एट मी. इट्स जस्ट दैट मैं बहुत चेंज कर करके पहनती हूँ, मतलब अलग अलग तरीके से स्टाइल करके. दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना गो विद दिस हियर. Next pair of shoes I'm going to be taking are these. I'm going to be wearing these Kusas. I am absolutely obsessed with them. The color, the vibe, the beauty, the aesthetic, everything is amazing. Such a girly girl. I cannot even tell you. The ones that are close to me obviously know. This, maybe if the heels, you know, irritate me or something, I can change into them. So there should always be plan B. ओके आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर्ड दैट मुझे इसके साथ और मरून वाले के साथ दुपट्टा लाजमी रखना है बिकॉज इन दोनों के साथ दुपट्टा नहीं है. Okay, so it is raining again. You can enjoy the peaceful sound of the rain. एक ही में पैक कर रहे हैं, so yes, that's why it's so big. Okay, so you guys actually didn't think I forgot about makeup. The travel makeup bag की zip टूट गई थी, तो I'm not gonna take that. It's a pretty blue sparkly one, but I'm not gonna take that because I can't take that. So I'm gonna use this one. ये बहुत छोटा है, I know. It's very small, but let's try to fit in things. Sunscreen, Miniso Rose Hydrating Toner, Miss Rose Lip Balm, Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, O2O Concealer, Setting Powder, Be Cute Banana Powder, the basic eyelash products. I'm gonna take the Bob Mascara, curler, eyelash glue, and a tweezer. Sorry, this is the glue I wanted. Okay, I was debating on eyelashes. This would be my natural, obvious answer. You guys would be surprised. I won't be taking this. I will be taking the extensions. So I can make a lash of my own choice. Also because they are super handy. I was debating on setting spray, so I think I want a matte look because it's already super hot. So I'm gonna take the Miss Rose setting spray. Lip liners and lip brush. For beauty blenders, I will take the big one, the tiny one, also the banana powder wala. Lenses and solution. Foculaur contour wand, Foculaur liquid blush, case a liquid glitter eyeshadow, lip gloss, Miss Rose eyeliner, Foculaur primer. For eyeshadow palettes, I hope you guys can see मेरे सामने इस वक्त कितनी पैलेट्स हैं. I have such a hard time selecting one palette or two palettes. This is my go-to palette, so should I keep? There's another one of my go-to palettes. These blend so well. This one I will take just in case I need some red eyes. I'm gonna take this palette. I also have this one sheet mask. I really love applying sheet masks before any wedding or functions. I'm gonna take this as okay. For brushes, I don't take all my brushes whenever I'm traveling, so let's select the face brushes first. The contour brush, the blush brush, the setting powder brush, just to be on the safer side, the foundation brush. Next, I really cannot travel without my handy dandy mirror. Brushes, I must have the eyeshadow brush, the crease brush, the eyebrow brushes, concealer, and the small highlighter brush, this big fan brush, 2 eyeliner brushes. Almost forgot the highlighter. The stuff is literally overflowing. I don't know how I will close this, but this is definitely going in my bag, not in the suitcase, because I really want to take like bangles with me, but big. So I think मैं इसको छोटा कर सकती हूँ. I added that in the middle. And now it looks like this. I think it looks pretty cute. So now I just have to find a way on how to take it. So I had this cute purple box. इसका कैप भी था, तो मैंने इसके अंदर रख ली है. I don't know, इसको ऐसे करके रखूँ. I think so. Jewelry and accessories next. So my must-have makeup tips: my comb, my body spray, my body mist. Time for the royal jewelry. Really taking this bangle. Let's select some rings next. Taking these earrings for the event. Jewelry earrings just for the other days. I don't go to any event without my nail polish because मेरी nail polish chip होती रहती है. So I'm gonna take that. I am done with the basic packing, or I just set this up beautifully for the video. I'm going to be honest, I'm going to be moving all of this on this side, maybe some of my stuff in my personal bag, because यहाँ पे as I've told सबको सामान रखना है. तो yeah, I'm done and I'm going to do the rest of the packing tomorrow morning because कुछ चीज़ें मुझे यूज़ करनी है, तो I can't pack them. I totally forgot to film the outro of the video, but yeah, that was me packing my stuff for the trip. I hope you guys like it. If you want me to create more videos like this, please comment and tell me down below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!